I'm going to give away some. Alright, so this is what I got. Wait for it's a huge bag. I got 2 for road trips or getaways. And I have some new items I haven't tried, like this one. And for acne, I'm gonna give some of this to former co-workers. If you wanna try, did I get this free? I don't remember. So I usually buy when they have a lot of promotions. Yeah, these samples, I think I got this free. I don't remember, but I got 2 items. So this is another sample. Watch until the end of the video because I will attach the things that I ordered, or video what I ordered that has everything in it, including the free products. This is only $2. Yeah, I have few items that I got free, so I think this is a free one. Yeah, so please stick and watch the end until the end of the video. Oh, nice to give away. So if you want to start your business or want to order, go check out my bio. The link is there. So yeah, happy spring. So nice to put it in your purse, and I think this is less than $2.
Yung kanyang hinanakit, kaya nga, every time na mayroong nakikita siyang nagtatawanan, parang naano siya tawag dito, parang kinakabahan na siya. Diba? May trauma na siya. Kasi pag may mga tumatawa, ang laging napapasok sa isip niya, may ginawa na naman ba kaya ako? Ano na naman kaya yung meron sa akin? May scandal na naman? Di ba mga minamahal? Yan na yun, napasok sa isip ni Dilima. May trauma na siya sa mga bagay-bagay. Lalo pat nung siya ay nakulong, binaboy ni Yurak ang kanyang pagkatao. Scandal na pinakalat sa kanya. Ang dami. Talagang babay na Dilima na hinarap niya ang mga kasong ipinupukol sa kanya na hindi naman totoo.